Hey guys, it's Deepica, and I hope you had an amazing, amazing November. I feel like I did. So today we are going to be sharing my monthly favorites and semi-unfavorite again. I'll let you guys decide whether you like it or not. So let's just get to it. Let's get started. So first and foremost, I'm going to talk about a moisturizer that was in my favorites way back when, maybe when I first started my YouTube channel 3 years ago, and it is from Dr. Jart. It is their Ceramidin cream, and actually their whole collection is what I'm going to talk about with you guys today. In full transparency, because I've gotten that feedback before, I'm not hiding anything. This video is being sponsored by Dr. Jart, and I'm so excited about it because this product is something I've used forever. If you go back to my favorites video from like 2015, I talked about the Dr. Jart Ceramidin, and it is my go-to product that I recommend to my girlfriends. Like when I first got into the beauty space and I was like working at Birchbox and I was discovering new products, I got a little mini sample of Dr. Jart's Ceramidin cream. At that time, the Ceramidin was in different packaging. What's exciting about it is that Dr. Jart has added 5 ceramides now inside of the Ceramidin collection. A ceramide is one of our skin's natural protectant layers, and what that does is really help keep in the elasticity in our skin and really nice and hydrated. But as we get older, we lose ceramides in our skin. So what you're doing by putting this product on is you're putting those ceramides back into your skin, and now you're putting 5 of them into your skin and really making sure your skin stays nice and hydrated, nice and elastic. So it really helps you from all those signs of aging, really. I didn't know all of that when I fell in love with it years ago, but I learned, and now I know what a ceramide is, and now it makes sense because this has been my go-to brand to recommend to people who really want something for dry skin. It was like a hidden treasure because people didn't really know about it, but it's available at Sephora, guys. So this is at Sephora. And also the other thing is they not only have a cream, but they also have a liquid toner version of the product, which is really more lightweight. After you moisturize your face, you pour this into your hand and you just kind of like seep it into your skin by dabbing it in and just letting it kind of soak into your skin, literally like a toner would. So you can start with this and then layer it with this. About like a nickel size amount is how much they say to put this on, and take it and kind of carry it down to your neck. So I always knew these two existed. This packaging also changed. Last but not least, they actually have a Ceramidin mask, a sheet mask that you guys can take with you to travel. Just like any other mask, you know, you really want to make sure you're putting it nice and tight onto your skin. It feels like you're literally taking the Ceramidin cream and having it seep into your skin. So the mask specifically improves the skin's texture, and then just massage the leftover cream into your skin and let it really soak in. That's Mama Pundu advice. You guys have heard me say that before. Do not waste any of your product. Use it all. They say 15 to 20 minutes, but like you could wear it overnight and let it really sit there. And when you take it off, you really feel like your skin looks really nice and smooth. So thank you again, Dr. Jart, for partnering with me. It's just a kind of cool full circle moment that something back in the day, they like cared to partner with me, which is really cool and exciting. So next up, I'm gonna tell you guys about a product called Skin Glass. So this is from a influencer named Norface. I saw this on social media, and it's this idea where basically you just look like your skin looks like glass. It's just like shiny and dewy and perfect. One tip I will tell you about this is you gotta make sure to shake it well. The sort of ingredients and the glitter kind of separate from each other naturally. I just take 1 drop or full amount and put it all over my skin, and just like it feels like your face is being nourished and it looks really nice and healthy. The other way to use it is you can take it and put a few drops of it into your foundation and really make it so it's a nice thin texture. It ends up making it so you use less of your foundation. It looks less cakey on your face. That was a makeup tip I got from my friend Makeup by Amrita, who doesn't use a lot of foundation. She'll take like a few pounds, like what am I trying to say? One pump. Like, why can't I speak? 1 pump of this with Skin Glass, you can just like massage them together and your full face coverage will 100% happen, which is great. It makes your foundation last longer. Norface created this product, and it apparently has antioxidants, grapeseed, jojoba, and neem oil inside of it, and it's good for all different skin types. And you guys, she is grinding with this. Like the girl is like making these products. It's kind of insane. The Laura Mercier Radiance Primer is the one that you guys have been seeing me wear a lot. So if you see me on Instagram stories, and you're like wondering like what is that product that makes it look like she has an all over glow on her face, it is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. Sorry, it's a little dirty. But that's what I've been wearing as my day-to-day go-to. Less glittery, but I also feel like this is giving me more skincare benefits. So try this stuff out. Let me know what you guys think. So next up, I want to tell you guys about a liner that I just discovered. It is from Laura Geller. It is the INKCREDIBLE. I see what you did there, Laura Geller. Waterproof gel eyeliner. It's the shade Blackbird. First of all, I love liners where you don't have to use a sharpener. Like, I need convenience, and this thing is twist up, so I'm all about that. Super gel, super smooth, lasts all day. It really is waterproof 24 hours. You guys are always asking for liner recommendations because it's hard to find good ones. So I would say this and the Thrive Cosmetics ones are my current 2 favorites. Shadow, I want to tell you guys, you've heard me talk about this before, the JOUER Creme Shadow Crayon. This is the color Rococo. It's a great neutral eye. I think JOUER has a really pretty collection of just like a soft brown and like a cream shadow stick. I just love shadow sticks, so it's also a great shadow base. It helps make powder shadows pop. So what I did today was, and this is my next favorite product, it's from Marc Jacobs, and it is the 79 Guilty Omega Glaze All Over Foil Luminizer. There's like a theme today of like glowy, beautiful skin. I feel like these days, there's a new highlighter coming out every day. This one from Marc Jacobs feels really unique. First of all, it's beautiful. Minus my fingerprints and stuff, ignore that. It almost looks like in certain parts in light, it looks like a different shade, which is really cool. They have glosses that do the same thing, and I just think it is unique. It is so pigmented and powdery, and it's in your face, but you can be light with it, you know, and build. I would imagine that this color would be really beautiful on all different skin tones because it does have that iridescent color that can be forgiving on cooler undertones and warmer undertones. I just am obsessed that I actually took it and put it on my eyelid as a shadow too. I mean, it does say it's an all over foil, so I could just like drip in this. Oh, accessory in my hair. How fun is this? So Justine Marjan, amazing hairstylist, amazing person, amazing human being, collaborated with KITSCH to create all these really fun hair accessories. So she has these, which I think is the best investment out of all of them, and they're really fun. You can like cross them over. If you see her Instagram, she has a lot of really fun, inspiring ways to use these fun accessories in your hair. She's got one that says drippin', this one says damn, and then she has one that says glam. I felt like being Drake vibes today and wearing feelings because I'm in my feelings these days. But I thought they were so fun and cute, and like I'm not good at hair, like that's not my thing. So just putting my hair back in this like slicked back pony and just putting in one of these just kind of gives it like a good holiday fun feel, you know? I hope I did some justice in the hair look. I don't know. I don't know. I did what I could. Next up, before I go into my like semi-unfavorite, is lashes from DEEPA Lashes. This is my girlfriend DEEPA. She is one of my very close friends, and she created this lash company. I know how much she put her heart and soul into it. She just got PETA certified, vegan, cruelty-free. That was really important to her. Yes, she's my friend, and yes, I support my friends, but the reality is, as I've told you guys a million times, I don't know how to do lashes. Like, I'm not good at it, and if I'm wearing them, they're probably Ardell Wispies, let's be real. And because I don't also like the look of super intense lashes. It's just not me personally, unless it's like, you know, a specific event where it makes sense. I do think lashes are game changers, but the main reason more than anything, TBH, is that they irritate my eyes. I have very sensitive eyes. I've shown you guys before, my eye has doubled in size because of a bad lash extension experience. I asked DEEPA because I was like, what is it about your bands that like they don't irritate? And apparently it's because the strip of it is made with cotton. I usually struggle and it takes me like an hour and I'm like this trying to put on a lash and I look like crazy, but these make it easier. And these ones I have on right now are the Charmer, and they're my favorite because I have long lashes, but they're not full. And these are like spiky up and down and just fill in the holes of them. I think she says you can use them up to like 10 times. I definitely use them a solid 5 at the minimum. They make me feel glam and they don't irritate my eyes, and that's all I can ask for with my lashes. My one like unfavorite is, and you're probably gonna be like confused because these are everywhere, but sometimes I wonder if it's everywhere just because marketing and the brand has a lot of money. Charlotte Tilbury, these Magic Away liquid concealers, like I'm seeing ads for them everywhere. The sponge, in theory, I was really excited about because it seemed like it was soft and it was cushiony. It's really messy, but beyond that, more than anything, what I care about is how it sets under my eyes. So you guys can look and see what it looks like and decide for yourself, and you might be saying that I'm being dramatic, but you know, like I know when like certain concealers set differently on my face. It just wasn't my personal favorite. So if you're looking at a new concealer, I personally like the Clinique Foundation concealer more than this one. I don't know, let me know down below if you had a different experience. All right, so that is my monthly favorites and unfavorites. If you wanna know the other products I have on, I made it into an Instagram clip, so I'll post the Instagram clip in the description below, and I'll also put the links to all the products I'm using on my face in the description below. I always said I was gonna do highs and lows every single month. So my high of the month, Deepica, went to a therapist. And I wanted to say that to you guys because I think it's really important to talk about that. I don't think there's any shame in it. I feel like I don't have any separation between my work life and my personal life, and just like, you know, a lot has happened for me this year. And so I'm really proud of myself for taking the steps to just get started. Honestly, the biggest hurdle of going to therapy was just like to start and to go. I feel really good about it. So that was definitely the high of my month, and I'm definitely gonna keep doing it. It was awesome. Oh God. Sorry. Hello, and I don't know if I said this last time. I literally Postmates every day of my life. It's starting to be a little bad. I need to just like adult a little bit and stop Postmating so damn much. So that is my monthly favorites. Thank you again, Dr. Jart. Really cool full circle moment that you guys wanted to sponsor my video to talk about a product that it's just a full circle cool moment. I love this stuff. Let me know down below any products you guys discovered this month that you love or don't really love, and let's help each other figure this stuff out. And subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Tell everyone you know to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Tinted. There's a lot of cool features happening there too. Info is down below. And thank you guys so much for your support and love. It really means the world to me. I don't feel like I say it enough, so thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys. This really looks like dandruff, but it's not. Oh God. This little baby, go away. There she goes.